How to install Picsart on Android? Want to start editing photos with Picsart on Android? Here's how to get it installed in seconds. First, open the Google Play Store on your device. Now tap on the search icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Here at the top you can see the search bar. Tap on it and type in Picsart. Now once you type it in, hit search. Look for the official Picsart website. Once you find it, tap on it to open the details page. Here you can see the install button. Tap on it to begin the installation. Now wait for the download to finish. It usually takes under a minute depending on your connection. Once it's installed, tap open to launch the app and you are all set to start exploring. If you don't see the install button, make sure your Google account is active and you are running a recent version of Android. Are you already using Picsart? Let us know what you love most about it in the comments below. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.